Hello viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss some biology important questions for board exam. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's start one by one. List of important diagrams. 1. TS of anther. 2. VS of ovule, anatropous ovule. 3. Embryo sac. 4. Male reproductive system. 5. Female reproductive system. 6. Human sperm cell. 7. Graafian follicle. 8. Mammary gland. 9. Section of seminiferous tubule. 10. Structure of a nucleosome. 11. Transcription unit. 12. Structure of a tRNA molecule. 13. Hershey and Chase experiment. 14. Structure of an antibody. 15. A biogas plant. 16. Schematic representation of rDNA technology. 17. E-agarose gel electrophoresis. 18. Structure of plasmid PBr 322. 19. Structure of a typical bioreactor. 20. Spargered stirred tank bioreactor. Most expected questions from all topics are given below. 1. TS of anther or structure of microsporangium. 2. Female gametophyte or embryo sac or 7-cell ed 8 nucleate embryo sac. 3. Briefly explain the structure of pollen grain. 4. What is pollination? Mention any 4 features of wind pollinated flowers. 5. What are cleistogamous flowers? Write their significance. 6. Define polyembryony. Write the significance of polyembryony. 7. The megasporangium, ovule, or V.S of anatropous ovule. 8. Write the events of development of female gametophyte in correct order or describe the process of megasporogenesis with a neat labeled diagram. 9. Female reproductive system and male reproductive system. 10. Mammalian mammary gland. 11. Define placenta. Write the function of placenta. 12. Explain the process of spermatogenesis with schematic representation. 13. Describe the intrauterine devices, IUDs. 14. Explain the structure of sperm with neat labeled diagram. 15. Explain the process of oogenesis with schematic representation. Or define oogenesis. Explain the process of oogenesis. 16. Differences between spermatogenesis and oogenesis. 17. Differences between sperm and ovum. 18. What are the conclusions drawn by M. Morgan from the crossing experiments in Drosophila with respect to linkage? 19. Why did Morgan selected Drosophila as an experimental material? 20. Mention the techniques for infertility control, ARTS. 21. Inheritance of one gene, monohybrid cross, or law of segregation with suitable example. 22. Mendel's dihybrid cross experiment. 23. Incomplete dominance. 24. Write any 4 symptoms of 1. Down's syndrome. 2. Klinefelter's syndrome. 3. Turner's syndrome. 25. Mechanism of sex determination. 26. Write a note on Mendelian disorders. 27. Write a note on chromosomal disorders. 28. Mention any 3 applications of DNA fingerprinting technique. 29. List the salient features of Human Genome Project, HGP. 30. Describe the Lac-Operon concept in E. coli bacterium. 31. Describe the process of DNA replication with the help of a diagram. 32. Describe the Griffiths experiment to show transformation in bacteria. 33. Define translation. Describe the process in detail. 34. Draw a neat labeled diagram of nucleosome. 35. Define transcription. Describe the process of prokaryotic transcription. 36. Write the salient features of genetic code. 37. Write a note on salient features of human genome, HGP. 38. Name the causative organisms of the following diseases. 39. Write any two methods of transmission of HIV. 40. Explain the life cycle of HIV. 41. Draw a neat labeled diagram of an antibody molecule. 42. Mention any three characteristics of a cancer cell. 43. 1. Differentiate between innate immunity and acquired immunity. 2. Differentiate between active immunity and passive immunity. 3. Differentiate between benign and malignant tumors. 4. Differentiate between primary and secondary sewage treatment. 44. Explain the role of microbes in production of industrial products. 45. Write a note on microbes as biofertilizers. 46. What is biogas? Explain the how biogas production occurs in biogas plant with the help of diagram. 47. Draw a neat labeled diagram of gel electrophoresis. 48. Simple stirred tank bioreactor. 49. Write a note on microbes in sewage treatment. 50. Define adaptation. Write a note on adaptation in high-altitude sickness. 51. Biodiversity conservation. Biodiversity conservation. What are the causes of biodiversity losses? What is endemism? Give example. What is sacred species? What are sacred groves? Give example. What is homeostasis? What is euryhaline organism? What is eurythermal organism? What is euryhaline organism? This end important questions. All the best for exam. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more updates.